चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर। इस पाठ से स्नेह भाव तथा प्राणी दया की सीख मिलती है। थ्रू दिस चैप्टर वी गेट टू लर्न मोर अबाउट द अफेक्शन एंड द काइंडनेस ऑन क्रीचर्स। पशु पक्षियों के स्वभाव और उनकी जीवन शैली के साथ साथ उनके प्रति महादेवी वर्मा के प्रेम से बच्चे परिचित होते हैं। If the child is reading this chapter, if anyone is reading this chapter, they get to know about the nature of birds and animals, their lifestyle, and also the love of Mahadevi Verma towards them. So, अचानक एक दिन सवेरे कमरे से बरामदे में आकर मैंने देखा दो कौवे एक गमले में चारों ओर चोंचों से छुआ छुओवल जैसा खेल खेल रहे हैं। So first of all, I would like you all to just close your eyes and just listen to the story I am speaking and just imagine it so that you can recollect it afterwards and learn the meaning of the difficult words. So let's have an interesting session so that you can just imagine the story in your head. Everybody should just close your eyes before understanding this story. So suddenly when I came out of my house to the veranda, what I saw that two crows are playing hide and seek game around the pots. क्या काक भिशुंडी भी विचित्र पक्षी है? This crow is very strange bird. Why it is strange? Because एक साथ समादरित, अनादरित, अति सम्मानित, अति अवमानित. Because at the same time it is honored, dishonored, respected and not respected. So it is already like, as I said, it is very strange to honor somebody at the same moment you dishonor the same person. So it is very strange. So the crows are also very strange birds. हमारे बेचारे पुरखे न गरुड़ के रूप में आ सकते हैं, न मयूर के, न हंस के. Our poor ancestors like the people who have died from our family becomes purkhe. So our poor ancestors can't come in the form of eagle, nor in the form of peacock or a swan. Hans is called swan. उन्हें पितृ पक्ष में हमसे कुछ पाने के लिए काक बनकर ही अवतीर्ण होना पड़ता है. If our ancestors want something from us, they have to come in the form of crows. इतना ही नहीं, not only this, हमारे दुरुस्त परिजनों को भी अपने आने का मधुर संदेश इन कर्कश स्वर में ही देना पड़ता है. So इतना ही नहीं, not only this, if our दुरुस्त परिजन means loved ones, दुरुस्त means the person who are living far away. So our loved ones who are living very far away, and if there is a possibility, if they are coming to our house as a guest, so the crows make cow kind of a sound that is very irritating. So by that irritable sound also we get to know that guests are arriving our house. दूसरी ओर हम कौवे और काम करने को अवमानना के अर्थ में ही प्रयोग करते हैं. And on the other hand, we used to say that crows and their sounds that they make are very unrespectful and we are used to it. मेरे काक पुराण के विवेचन में अचानक बाधा आ पड़ी क्योंकि गमले और दीवार की संधि में एक छोटे से जीव पर मेरी दृष्टि रुक गई. When I was wondering, I was interpreting the mythology on the crows. Puran means mythology and Kaak is crow. So when I was interpreting the mythology on the crows, my thinking got struck because I got my sight on the very little creature that is hiding between the wall and the pot. निकट जाकर देखा, I got near to that place. गिलहरी का एक छोटा सा बच्चा था. So I saw a baby of a squirrel, जो संभवत ही घोंसले से गिर पड़ा है और अब कौवे जिसमें सुलभ आहार खोज रहे हैं. And it is very much possible that he must have fallen from his nest and now it is a very accessible food for the crows. काक दुए की चोंचों के दो घाव उस लघु प्राण के लिए बहुत थे. That little creature, लघु प्राण is little creature. So those beaks of the crows are very sharp, and if somebody touches that or that little creature got hurt from them, from those beaks, they will get wounds, very big wounds. So the crows must have done that thing. So अतः वह निश्चेष सा गमले से चिपका पड़ा था. So that little creature, that baby of the squirrel was very close to that pot and was unconscious because he got wounds from those two crows. सबने कहा कौवे की चोंच का घाव लगने के बाद यह बच नहीं सकता. Everybody said that after that wounds given by the crows to that little creature, that little squirrel, baby squirrel will not survive. अतः इसे ऐसे ही रहने दिया जावे. So leave him as it is. Don't touch. परंतु मन नहीं माना. मैंने उसे हौले से उठाकर अपने कमरे में लाई. बट आई डिडंट माइंड एंड आई जस्ट ब्रॉट दैट लिटिल क्रीचर इन माई रूम. फिर रुई से रक्त पोंछकर घावों पर पेंसिलिन का मरहम लगाया. रक्त इज ब्लड, so I just wiped the blood from the wounds and put penicillin on it. मरहम is ointment. कई घंटे के उपचार के उपरांत उसके मुंह में एक बूंद पानी टपकाया जा सका. After many hours, I was able to put a drop of water in his mouth. तीसरे दिन वह इतना अच्छा और आश्वस्त हो गया कि मेरी उंगली अपने 2 नन्हे पंजों से पकड़कर नीले कांच के मोतियों जैसी आंखों से इधर उधर देखने लगा. And on the third day, he was very good in his health and was very confident. Ashwastha means confident, that he was just holding my fingers with his very cute, very little claws, and he was looking here and there. 3-4 मास में उसके स्निग्ध रोहे. After 3-4 months, mass means months, 3-4 means 3-4 months. After 3-4 months, he got very glossy fur. रोए मतलब fur. तो he got glossy fur. झब्बेदार पूंछ, very high density volume of hairs was there on his tail. चंचल चमकीली आंखों सबको विस्मित करने लगी. विस्मित means amazed. So everybody was amazed by the looks because he was having a very glossy fur and a lot of hairs on his tail, and eyes were also very beautiful. हम उसे गिल्लू कहकर बुलाने लगे. So everybody used to call him गिल्लू. मैंने फूल रखने की एक हल्की डलिया में रुई बिछाकर उसे तार से खिड़की पर लटका दिया. What I did is that डलिया is a basket that we used to take flowers on into it. So I took that basket and I put cotton into it so that I make a bed of it, and I hang that basket into the walls using a wire. As you can see here, this is a sort of like bed for that गिल्लू. 2 वर्ष वही गिल्लू का घर रहा. This was the bed of गिल्लू for the next 2 years. वह स्वयं हिलाकर अपने घर में झूलता और अपनी कांच के मनकोसी आंखों से कमरे के भीतर और खिड़की से बाहर न जाने क्या देखता समझता रहता था. He himself, what he did, he himself swing his bed and go to sleep, and sometimes he looks into the house, into the room, and sometimes I don't know what he just imagines and he just view outside the window. परंतु उसकी समझदारी और कार्यकलाप पर आपको सबको आश्चर्य होता था. Because everybody was very surprised by the activity and the sense that he was having. कार्यकलाप is activities that he did. So समझदारी is sense of humor. So everybody was very surprised by the sense that he was having and the activities he did. जब मैं लिखने बैठती तब वह अपनी ओर मेरा ध्यान आकर्षित करने की उसे तीव्र इच्छा होती थी कि उसने एक अच्छा उपाय खोज निकाला. And whenever I used to sit on my table and start writing, I don't know why, but he wanted to attract my sense so that I should be attracted towards him and start playing with him. So he wanted my attention. He was a very attention seeker. So whenever I used to write, he used to wanted me to see him. So he tried one idea. What he did? वह मेरे पैरों तक आकर सर से पर्दे पर चढ़ जाता. He used to come to my foot and then suddenly he goes to the curtains and just climbs that curtains. And वह मेरे पैरों तक सर से चढ़ जाता और फिर उसी तेजी से उतरता. And with that same speed he went down to the floor. उसका यह दौड़ना का क्रम तब तक चलता जब तक मैं उसे पकड़ने के लिए न उठती. He used to climb that curtain and get down till the time I hold him in my hands and I used to get up and hold him. कभी मैं गिल्लू को पकड़कर एक लंबे लिफाफे में इस प्रकार रख देती कि उसके अगले 2 पंजे और सिर के अतिरिक्त सारा लघुघात लिफाफे के भीतर बंद रहता. लघुघात इज दैट लिटिल बॉडी, स्मॉल बॉडी. सो इन दिस वे आई यूज्ड टू पुट हिम इन अ पैकेट so that only his claws and his head is out. इस अद्भुत स्थिति में कभी कभी घंटों मेज पर दीवार के सहारे खड़ा रहकर वो अपनी चमकीली आंखों से मेरा कार्यकलाप देखता रहता. So he used to remain like this for hours and hours till I do my work and he used to see my activities. भूख लगने पर चिक चिक कर मानो वह मुझसे सूचना देता और काजू या बिस्कुट मिलने पर उसी स्थिति में लिफाफे से बाहर वाले पंजों से पकड़कर उसे उतरता रहता. And when he used to feel hungry, what he used to do? He used to make chick 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 type of a sound. And he wanted cashew nuts. Kaju is cashew nuts and biscuits. And when I give him biscuit, he used to eat in this way with his 2 claws that are outside the packet. फिर गिल्लू के जीवन का प्रथम वसंत आया. Then the spring season arrived, the first spring of गिल्लू. बाहर की गिलहरियां खिड़की की जाली के पास आकर चिक चिक करने ना जाने क्या कहने लगी. So the squirrels who were living outside the house in the garden area used to come near the window and start making the sound of chick chick, and they used to have a conversation with Gillu. I don't know what they were talking about, but they were having some conversation. गिल्लू को जाली के पास बैठकर अपने पन से बाहर झांकते देखकर मुझे लगा कि इसे मुक्त करना आवश्यक है. Gillu used to sit near the window and see outside with so much of attraction that I wanted him to set him free. I felt, Mahadevi Verma said that I feel that it was very much necessary for me to set him free. मुक्त मतलब free करना, to set somebody free. मैंने कीले निकालकर जाली का एक कोना खोल दिया. What I did, I put off the nails. कीले होते हैं nails. So I put off the nails from the net and I cut off the window shield from some area. See here, as you can see. और इस मार्ग से गिल्लू ने बाहर जाने पर सचमुच ही मुक्ति की सांस ली. And when Gillu used to go outside from that window, he was feeling really relaxed. इतने छोटे जीव को घर में पले कुत्ते बिल्लियों से बचाना भी एक समस्या ही थी. समस्या is problem. So that little creature, saving that little creature from the pets, it is very difficult at home. मेरे कमरे से बाहर जाने पर वह भी खिड़की की खुली जाली की राह बाहर चला जाता. When I used to get out from my house or my room, he also used to get out from that room by the window. और दिन भर गिलहरियों के झुंड का नेता बनना. And he used to be the leader of that flock of his gang. Like he was the leader of his gang. And हर डाल पर उछलता कूदता रहता. And he used to jump a lot on every branch. और ठीक 4 बजे वह खिड़की से भीतर आकर अपने झूले में झूलने लगता. And exactly at 4 o'clock, he used to come back at home and rest on his bed. मुझे चौंकाने की इच्छा उसमें न जाने कब और कैसे उत्पन्न हो गई. मुझे चौंकाना means to amaze someone. So I don't know from where he developed that habit of amazing me every time. कभी फूलदान के फूलों में छिप जाता. He used to hide sometimes in the flower pot. कभी पर्दे की चुन्नट में. And he used to hide sometimes behind or in the folds of curtains. और कभी सोनजुरी की पत्तियों में. Sonjuri is just like a tree having yellow flowers. So this kind of a tree. So he used to hide in between the leaves. Patiya means leaves. So these kinds of things he do to amaze me. मेरे पास बहुत से पशु पक्षी हैं. I have a lot of animals and birds in my house. और उनको मुझसे लगाव भी कम नहीं है. And he are very much attached with me. लगाव means attachment. परंतु उनमें से किसी को भी मेरे साथ मेरी थाली में खाने की हिम्मत हुई है ऐसा मुझे स्मरण नहीं आता. But everybody who are living in my house as my pets, Nobody has a dare to eat it with me in the same plate, and I don't remember any incident of having food with them. गिल्लू इनमें अपवाद था. अपवाद मीन्स एक्सेप्शन. तो द गिल्लू वॉज एन एक्सेप्शन इन दैट केस. सो मैं जैसे ही खाने के कमरे में पहुंचती, whenever I used to get into that dining room, वह खिड़की से निकलकर आंगन की दीवार बरामदा पार करके मेज पर पहुंच जाता. He used to cross that veranda and immediately comes to that dining room and मेरी थाली में बैठ जाना चाहता, and he wants to sit in my plate. बड़ी कठिनाई से मैंने उसे थाली पर के पास बैठना सिखाया. And it कठिनाई means difficulty, and with a great difficulty I teach him to sit beside the plate. जहां बैठकर वह मेरी थाली में से एक एक चावल उठाकर बड़ी सफाई से खाता रहता. From there, like it took me a lot of time to teach him to sit beside the plate. So when he learned that, he used to sit with me, and he used to eat the rice one by one, and with very much clarity or very etiquette, having very much etiquette, cleanliness. काजू उसका प्रिय खाद्य था. खाद्य मीन्स फूड, एंड कैशू नट इज वेरी मच फेवरेट ऑफ हिम. एंड कई दिन काजू ना मिलने पर वह अन्य खाने की चीजें या तो लेना बंद कर देता था या झूले से नीचे फेंक देता था. If he wanted to have his favorite food, that is cashew nut, he used to not eat food for a lot of days or lot of time, or he just skip his meals or used to throw the food from his bed. उसी बीच मुझे मोटर दुर्घटना में आहत होकर कुछ दिन अस्पताल में रहना पड़ा. And in those days only, I met with an accident. Ahat means injured, and I was injured and was there admitted in the hospital for some days. उन दिनों जब मेरे कमरे का दरवाजा खोला जाता, and on those days when somebody opened the doors of my room, गिल्लू अपने झूले से उतरकर दौड़ता. Gillu used to run from his swing, और फिर किसी दूसरे को देखकर तेजी से अपने घोंसले में जा बैठता. और फिर then when he saw somebody else, then he used to run back to his bed. सब उसे काजू दे जाते. Everybody used to give him cashew nuts because it is his favorite food. परंतु अस्पताल से लौटकर जब मैंने उसके झूले की सफाई की तो उसमें काजू भरे मिले. And everybody used to give him cashew nuts, but when I returned back from the hospital and cleaned his bed, then I saw a lot of cashew nuts were there, and the bed was full of cashew nuts, जिससे ज्ञात होता था कि वह उन दिनों अपना प्रिय खाद्य कितना कम खाता रहा. Then I got to know that he was not eating his favorite food. मेरी अस्वस्थता में वह तकिए पर सिरहाने बैठकर अपने नन्हे नन्हे पंजों से मेरे सिर और बालों को हौले हौले सहलाता रहा. अस्वस्थता means unhealthiness. So when I was unhealthy, then he used to sit on my forehead or near my forehead, and he used to slowly, smoothly pacify my head so that I become well. गर्मियों में जब मैं दोपहर में काम करती रहती तो गिल्लू ना बाहर जाता ना अपने झूले में बैठता. वह मेरे पास रखी सुराही पर लेट जाता. In the summer season when I used to do the work, दोपहर में, and दोपहर means in the daytime. In the summer season, in the daytime when I used to work, so Gillu was not going out. Gillu ना बाहर जाता. He is not used to go out, and ना अपने झूले में बैठता. He is not very much used to sit in his swing. But वह मेरे पास रखी सुराही पर लेट जाता. सुराही is a kind of a jug made up of mud. So it is cold in summers. He used to sit on that jug. और इस प्रकार वह समीप भी रहता और ठंडक में भी रहता. और because of he sitting on that jug of mud, he used to be near me also, and he used to be in cold also. गिलहरियों के जीवन की अवधि 2 वर्ष से अधिक नहीं होती. The lifespan of a squirrel is not more than 2 years. अंततः गिल्लू की जीवन यात्रा का अंत आ ही गया. And so the time was over for Gillu also. दिन भर उसने ना कुछ खाया ना वह बाहर गया. For the whole day he has not eaten anything and nor he has gone out of the house. पंजे इतने ठंडे हो गए थे कि मैंने जागकर हीटर जलाया. When I touched his claws were so cold that I switched on the heater so that I उसे उष्णता देने की प्रयत्न किया. उष्णता means I tried to give him some heat. परंतु प्रभात की प्रथम किरण, परंतु the morning rays, as soon as the morning came and the rays of sun rays came, साथ ही वह चिर निद्रा में सो गया. He went into a deep sleep, and as soon as the sun rises, he went into the deep sleep. Deep sleep is what? When somebody goes to a deep sleep means he will never wake up. He is no more. उसका झूला उतार कर रख दिया गया है. I have put off his swing. और खिड़की की जाली बंद कर दी गई है. And the place from where the Gillu used to go out from the window is also closed by me. परंतु गिलहरियों की नई पीढ़ी जाली से उस पार चिक चिक करती ही रहती है और सोनजूही खिलती ही रहती है. परंतु but गिलहरियों की नई पीढ़ी means the new generation of the squirrels the new generation of the squirrels come to play in that garden and used to do chick chick kind of a sound that they make. They all come and play and they used to make chick chick sounds. And Juhi means the flower that is yellow in color, the tree that has yellow flowers, and that flowers come and blossom. So those flower blossoms, those new squirrels who used to be not to be there were also there. So everything is there, but Gillu is not there. सोनजूही की लता के नीचे गिल्लू की समाधि है. सोनजूही is that yellow flower on a tree. So lata is creeper, that branch और बेल जिसे कह सकते हैं. तो सोनजूही की लता के नीचे गिल्लू की समाधि है, ग्रेव. तो बिलो दैट क्रीपर ऑफ द सोनजूही लाइज द ग्रेव ऑफ गिल्लू. इसलिए भी कि उसे वह लता सबसे अधिक प्रिय थी. बिकॉज that creeper, he was very fond of that creeper or that branch of that tree. So because of that I put the grave of Gillu below it. इसलिए भी कि उस लघु गात का किसी वसंती दिन जूही के पिताम्ब छोटे फूल के रूप में खिल जाने का विश्वास मुझे संतोष देता है. I have put that grave of Gillu below that branch because I thought like it's I believe means vishwas. I believe that Juhi, that flower will blossom. I think that I believe that Gillu will come as a flower on that tree, and that gives me satisfaction because that tree will blossom each and every day, and Gillu will be there in that soil, and he will come as a flower. So this was the whole story. So thank you.